Hi, I'm Robin Lacrimosa, one of the life care coordinators at Kimbrough Law. Do you have a long-term care insurance policy? If you're 65 or older and need help living independently, have you used that policy to pay for care? You might be surprised to learn that many people buy long-term care policies, then wait too long to use them. They treat these policies like grandma's fine china, used only when they need to move to assisted living or another long-term care setting. Or like Social Security, which pays more the longer you wait to start drawing benefits. If you believe this about long-term care insurance, I have news for you. It doesn't work that way. Take the example of a woman I'll call Violet, an 85-year-old living alone in her home. Violet has become more and more frail in the last few years, and she doesn't have the strength to easily manage most of the activities of daily living. She has trouble getting in and out of the shower. She can't cook for herself anymore. She can't do her laundry. Despite her limitations, Violet wants to continue living at home. Violet has a long-term care insurance policy that she's been paying on for nearly 40 years. Violet knows this policy would pay for someone to come in and help her do all those things she's having trouble doing for herself. But she won't use her long-term care insurance. Violet is sitting on that policy because she is saving it up for the day she needs to move to assisted living. One day, Violet falls getting out of the shower and breaks her hip. What happens next? Violet ends up in a rehab center and then an assisted living facility. If Violet had used her long-term care insurance policy to bring in home care, she could have avoided that fall in the shower that started the chain of events that culminated in her being forced into assisted living. She could have used her long-term care insurance benefits for home care services that would have enabled her to achieve her goal of staying at home. That's not the only problem. Because Violet put off using her long-term care benefits to pay for home care, she arrives at the assisted living community in a more frail state, and she could die before her policy benefits run out. Waiting as long as possible to use your long-term care benefits can backfire in ways you may not expect, especially if your goal is to remain at home as long as possible. By the way, if you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Kimbrough Law YouTube channel. You'll find many more videos on a variety of elder law and estate planning topics. Check it out.